Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says choose the incorrect statements regarding external fertilization. Option A occurs equally in terrestrial and aquatic species. Option B animals produce large number of gametes to ensure successful reproduction. Option C animals exhibit highly synchronized behavior during mating. Option B, the probability of fertilized and offspring development is low. That means the probability of fertilization and the offspring development is low. So let us try to understand the question. It says, choose the incorrect statement regarding external fertilization. So we have to look for incorrect statement regarding what? Regarding external fertilization. So what do you understand by fertilization? Fertilization is nothing but fusion of male and female gamete, right? Fusion of male gamete and female gamete. That is what is called as fertilization. Now, why is it necessary? Because the fusion of male and female gamete will result in zygote, and that zygote will give rise to new offspring, new individual. Okay? So, fertilization is necessary for the sake of reproduction. And this happens in what type of reproduction? This happens in sexual reproduction. Fertilization occurring sexual reproduction. Why in sexual reproduction? Because here it includes both male and female. That is why we call this sexual reproduction. Now, they are talking about fertilization which happens externally. So, what do you understand the external fertilization? So, external fertilization. What do you mean by that? That means that the fertilization is happening outside the body, outside the female body. Fertilization happens outside the female body. Okay, so maybe it is happening outside somewhere in the environment. So mainly most of the organisms where external fertilization occurs, they are aquatic in nature because they need water for the movement of the gametes. Okay, and that's why they are aquatic in nature. So usually in case of aquatic animals, fertilization occurs externally, and because it occurs externally, so they have to produce lots number of lot of male and female gametes, especially the male gametes, because the male gametes have to fuse with the female gametes, and even female gametes are producing high number. So high number of gametes are produced. Why? So as to increase the chance of fertility, because the chance of fertility is very low. So they have low fertility chance. Because you never know, maybe the water current will just take away the sperm one side and egg one side. So the fertilization, you can say the rate of fertilization is low. Okay? And also there is always a danger for these eggs which are formed, or the gametes which are formed, or the offspring which are formed externally. There is danger of predators. So predators can eat away the eggs or sperms or whatever. With the zygotes or the embryo which are formed, the predators can eat away that, right? So there is always a danger. Okay. So let us look at the options. So the question says choose the incorrect statement. So we have to look for incorrect statement regarding external. Option A says occurs equally in terrestrial and aquatic. No, because in case of terrestrial, it doesn't happen because they need the medium for the fusion of the gametes. So it doesn't happen in case of terrestrial organisms. It happens in aquatic species only. Hence, it is neutral. Option B says animals produce large number of gametes to ensure successful reproduction. Yes, they produce lots amount of gametes, so as to ensure successful reproduction or successful fertilization. So that is true. Now, option C says animals exhibit highly synchronized behavior during mating. Yes, because since the fertilization happens outside, so the male and female, the time of ovulation and spermiation should be matching. Okay? So they have this synchronized behavior because whenever the female lays eggs, within a few, depending upon the time, the male also will release sperm so as to fertilize the egg. So it is highly synchronized. Then the probability of fertilization and the offspring development is low. Yes, because there are a lot of problems there, predators are there, and the chance of fertilization will be less, so the offspring development will be low. So that is also true. But according to the question, we have to look for incorrect statement. So which is the incorrect statement? That is option A is incorrect statement. Why? Because in case of a terrestrial animal, external fertilization doesn't occur. So the correct answer, which is starting with the incorrect statement, is option A. So I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.